In today's episode, we're exploring how to make money online using nothing more than your smartphone. Whether you're looking to earn extra income or build a long-term side hustle, this episode is packed with practical strategies you can start using immediately. Let's begin with one of the simplest options, paid survey apps. Platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Survey Junkie allow you to earn small payments in exchange for your opinions. Most surveys take just a few minutes to complete, and while each one may only pay $1 or $2, completing several per day can quickly add up. Another great option is performing microtask. Apps like Clickworker, Appen, and Amazon MTurk let you complete small online jobs such as data categorization, transcription, or website testing. These jobs can be done entirely from your phone, and with consistency, you can build up to earning $100 a day or more. Next up is affiliate marketing. This is a popular way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. You can sign up for affiliate programs through platforms like Amazon Associates, Digistore24, or ShareASale. Then share your links through platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, all from your phone. Each time someone clicks and buys, you earn a percentage of the sale. Some affiliates earn hundreds per day using nothing but their phone and a strong content strategy. Let's not forget about print on demand. You can use design apps like Canva directly on your phone to create graphics for t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, or tote bags. Then upload them to platforms like Printify, Redbubble, or Teespring. When someone buys your item, the platform handles everything and you collect the profit. No inventory, no shipping, and no stress. Another proven method is selling digital products, from ebooks and resume templates to fitness plans and budgeting spreadsheets. Digital products can be created and sold right from your phone. Use platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or PayShip to upload your files and promote them to your audience. This method can become a passive income stream once your product gains traction. If you enjoy giving feedback, app and website testing is another easy way to earn. Platforms like User Testing, TryMeta, and Userlytics will pay you to test websites and apps by recording your thoughts and reactions. Each session pays between $5 and $20, and it can all be done on your mobile device. Lastly, consider using investing in cashback apps to build long-term income. Apps like Acorns, Robinhood, and Rakuten and Ibotta let you invest spare change or earn money back from everyday purchases. While this may not earn you $100 a day upfront, it's a smart way to build passive income and strengthen your financial future, all from your phone. To recap, here are some of the easiest ways to make money online in 2025 using just your phone. You can take paid surveys, complete micro tasks, promote affiliate links, sell custom merch through print on demand platforms, list digital products, test websites and apps, or earn through investing in cashback apps. Each of these methods require little to no startup costs and can be done from anywhere with Wi-Fi or mobile connection. The key is to choose one or two of these options that match your interests and schedule, and then stay consistent. As your skills grow, so will your income. That wraps up this episode of the EKW podcast. If you found this helpful, be sure to follow, leave a comment, and share this episode with someone who could use a little extra income. Thanks for listening and watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.